Welcome to Healthista TV. My name's Neil Seligman. Today I'll be guiding a short practice to help you get to sleep. And so we're going to dive straight in, just allowing the eyes to close if that feels comfortable, or just having a soft gaze. If you wish, you might want to lie down for this practice, even get into bed. Or if you're doing it before bedtime, you can be seated and then transfer to bed whenever you wish. So just bringing the attention to the breath. Noticing the breath rolling in and rolling out. Perhaps just allowing the breath to become a little bit more spacious. Enjoying each breath. Noticing the rhythm of the breath, the inhale, the pause. Exhale, pause. Allowing yourself to really drop into whatever position you've taken. Even a little sense of sinking, but being held, being safe. And perhaps just exploring with your awareness and locating somewhere within the body that already feels spacious. Where in the body do you feel most spacious in this moment now? Being curious. And next, asking yourself, where in the body do you feel warm in this moment now? And where in the body do you feel easeful in this moment now? Allowing yourself to explore with curiosity, to widen the beam of awareness, to take in the whole body, noticing areas of calm, space, ease, relaxation, even a sense of letting go but being held, being held safe. Feeling the warmth of the blankets, perhaps. Allowing the mind to let go and release into abstract associations. Nowhere to go, nothing to do. Dissolving thinking into the space of warm awareness. Relaxing completely. And just riding the breath. Inhale, pause. Exhale, pause. Riding the rhythm of your own breath. And you may wish to continue this practice in your own way with your eyes open or closed, or transition to whatever's next for you. Thank you for joining me in practice.